Business owners, this one's for you. Are you already running Google Ads but not seeing the results you want? Or not sure your campaigns are fully optimized? We've got the solution. Introducing our Google Ads management package for just $249 per month. Perfect for businesses that already have campaigns running but need expert optimization and hands-on management. Here's what's included: ongoing campaign monitoring and optimization, regular keyword research and expansion, bid management and cost optimization, conversion rate optimization, CRO, search ads, performance enhancements, display and YouTube ads, optimization, remarketing and retargeting strategy, Performance Max, PMX, campaign management, A/B testing and ad performance improvement, comprehensive monthly reporting and strategy adjustments. Your ad spend is separate. This monthly fee covers all the strategy, management, and optimization. Ready to take your ads to the next level? Click the link in the description and let's start improving your ROI today. For help, reach out at admin@boostkings.com.au or call +61 489 22 6422. We're here for you. Cheerio.